Python equivalent of Scala partition. I'm currently porting some Scala code to Python, and I am wondering what is the most Pythonic way to do something similar to Scala's partition. In particular, in the Scala code I have a situation where I am partitioning a list of items based on whether they return true or false from some filter predicate that I pass in. What is the best way to do something like this in Python?
Using filter, require 2 iteration. Simple loop. Example.
This version is lazy and doesn't apply the predicate twice to the same element. Example.
Scala. Python, using list comprehension.
Scala has rich list processing API, and Python as much as that. You should read documented tools. And you may find a recipe of partition.